am standing here with two super women, Satkeerthi from Airtel and Ruchika from Ericsson. And with the help of both of them, we are going to understand how logistics are going to get revolutionized. So Ruchika, my first question is to you. With the drone-based inventory management system coming into the picture, what does the future of logistics look like?
So I think the drone-based inventory management is really going to revolutionize logistics, because what it's going to do is that it's going to take away the manual intervention. You're going to get the whole inventory management process being much more efficient. And also, if you look at, the worker safety, for example, now you can actually have the drone timed, you can have the drone doing the inventory, check anytime. And what you will also get is a live streaming. So let's say I'm a, production manager sitting in Mumbai, and I have, this drone-based inventory management system, then I can access it real-time basis. My colleagues in any part of the world can access it real-time. So if you can imagine the benefit of real-time inventory, kind of completely being mapped, then it's going to revolutionize logistics in a big way. So I think there's a very, very strong future of this use case with 5G.
Yes, and that brings me to you. Yeah. With Airtel 5G, how do we see the future of logistics?
I think, further taking from where Ruchika left off, today for us, inventory management and logistics is one use case. But if you look at logistics per se, I mean, coming from an industry where we man so much of material, etc., okay, I think it's very, in silos. So you have digitization, which is the forefront of what we're looking at. It's all in pieces and structures. So it's just not about logistics in terms of warehousing. It's also about material movement in terms of transportation and the asset landing at the right point of time with the right asset. So what this whole technology is doing to us is, one, with a kind of latencies. I mean, 5G is all about giving this, the smallest of the small latencies, and the kind of uploads that it can give in terms of throughput, and plus in terms of concurrency that we're looking at. This will bring in a huge revolution in what we're looking at. And I think what I really like about this entire, drone case is all about, the 3 S's of any kind of a logistics. One is about safety, security, and the third is all about, surveillance. So today, I mean, if you just imagine a massive warehouse and you have the entire security forces doing the rounds, they take about hours, maybe one whole night for them to do it. This drone will do it in minutes with much more accuracy, and you're able to do a complete round about it, and you have the required surveillance that you need to do, which is a big challenge for most of the warehouses and kinds of inventory that they hold. Second, in terms of safety, like hazardous material, etc., this latency will also allow us to act on basis of triggers that we get out of the report. So this is what we're talking about, how it can just revolutionize. I mean, the kind of things that today we struggle around, basically asset tracking, asset management, getting the right material on thing. This will also enable us to know that the kind of inventory we have, ordering in time, because we all have lead times, right? So that's what is just going to revolutionize and bring about it. So it's just not about warehouse, it's much more beyond it. I think it will really change the way that we look at logistics in principle.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ruchika. Thank you so much.